Welcome to our video on Shift Left with Polyspace. On average, a team spends up to 75% of their efforts finding, debugging, and fixing bugs in handwritten embedded code. In this video, we'll show you how Polyspace can help you reduce this effort and increase software quality. My name is Puneet Lau, and I'm a marketing manager for Polyspace. I'm with Laurie Patterson-Garden, who is our user experience specialist. This chart shows the relative cost of fixing bugs increases exponentially as we move through the development cycle. Hence, it's important to shift left the process of fixing bugs and find them early in the development cycle. This reduces software testing time and effort and reduces the risk of finding critical issues late in development cycle or by a customer. Polyspace as you code enables you to analyze code without leaving your IDE or editor. You can identify critical defects and security vulnerabilities, check for compliance with coding rules such as MISRA-C, CERT-C, and Autosar C++14. There are plugins available for Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, and Eclipse. You can also easily integrate Polyspace as you code with other IDEs and editors using APIs. Note that it's much easier for a developer to fix a defect while they're still writing code and the code is still fresh in their mind.
We begin our tour of Polyspace as you code in the Eclipse IDE. We start with a clean file here. That is, we have no Polyspace as you code results showing yet. Let's see if we can add code and maintain a clean, error-free file. We add the code, and then we'll run the Polyspace analysis either by saving the file or right-clicking and selecting Polyspace as you code. The results are pending, and now we see that we have 3 in the Polyspace result list, and clicking on one shows more information in the result details. Clicking on the icon in the gutter in the code shows us some more information, and we see that we simply need to add an equal sign. Let's add the equal sign to fix this issue and rerun Polyspace as you code. We have 3 results before the analysis is complete, and now we see we have resolved these results. Let's start with another file. This file is a legacy file. As you can see, we already have 18 issues. Clicking on an issue shows us more detail in the results section, and here we're clicking through the trace and going through the code step by step. If we want more information, we simply click the help icon. This brings up contextual help. Clicking on the wrench brings us directly to the fix section. In this instance, we decide we do not want to fix this issue at this time, and we simply want to add an annotation and remove it from the result list. Here, we can see that we've added the annotation, and now we will rerun Polyspace as you code. As we do so, we should see that this issue is removed from the result list. Here we have 18. And now, after analysis, we have 17. Anything that has been annotated will not show up in the result list. This concludes our brief tour of Polyspace as you code.
Thanks for the demo, Laurie. To summarize, Polyspace as you code increases efficiency of code reviews, reduces cost of fixing bugs, provides early feedback on code quality, and lowers the risk of finding critical issues late in the development cycle or by a customer. Polyspace products provide a comprehensive static analysis solution for the entire software development lifecycle. Polyspace as you code finds bugs early in the development cycle. Polyspace Bug Finder Server and Code Prover Server can easily be integrated into a CI pipeline. Analysis results are uploaded into Polyspace Access for the entire team to review and collaborate using a web UI. Thanks for watching our video on Shift Left with Polyspace. For more information, please visit mathworks.com. Thank you.